Ovarian cyst discomfort can be tough, but gentle yoga may ease pain, improving circulation and bring balance. Here are 5 supportive poses. Virabhadrasana builds strength, improves blood flow in the pelvic region, and supports overall stamina.
So let's bring the right foot forward to the front of the mat and the left foot to the back of the mat. On the left foot we are on the toes, which means the heels are off the ground, and on the front foot the knee is bent and the knee is directly above the ankle, which means it's ideally in a 90-degree hold. Hands go up and we want to sink into the floor as low as possible. Remember, back heels are still off the floor. So we're staying here for another 4. Remembering to breathe for 3. Go a little lower if possible for 2. Don't arch your back too much. Strengthen, engage the core. Last few breaths here. And for 1. Strength and coming into standing.
Parighasana stretches the side body and improves flexibility.
You're going to bend the left knee so that your heel comes outside of the hip. Now, we have to make sure that your ankle is not left loose this way. This position puts a lot of pressure on the inside of your knee. So, you want to keep the toe pointed, heel outside of the hip, your hip in line with your knee. This is your starting position. This is also starting position for Triyanka Mukha Ekapada Paschimottanasana. Now, for Parighasana, you want to move your right leg completely 90 degrees to the right side. And you're going to open your left knee as well as much as you can. So you see this beautiful hip opening here, your heel stays close to the groin. Now we're going to go into a lateral bend. You have 2 options. 1, you place your right palm on the right leg, inhale and lift your left arm up, and as you exhale, start sliding your hand down slowly, bit by bit by bit, till you can reach your toes, and we can stop right here and breathe. Make sure the toes are lifted up, looking up at the ceiling, and we can stay here for a few breaths. You feel a nice beautiful stretch inside of the hips. And once you're done, you're going to inhale and slowly come back to center. Exhale, bring your hands down. Once you start getting very comfortable, we're going to try and do a full bind. So for this, you're going to first flip your right palm up, take an inhale, and as you exhale, slide the right hand down, and I'm going to hold on to the inner edge of my foot. Now, keep the chest open, inhale and lift the left arm up, and as you exhale, take your arm all the way across and see if you can grab the outer edge of the right foot with your left hand. Now, once you have that bind, your intention or your direction of movement is to open the chest as much as possible. Stay there, breathe. 1, 2, keep the lower belly drawn in, pelvic floor engaged so that there is no strain in the groin or hip flexors. 2, 3, inhale, lift your left arm up, take an exhale there, slowly release, inhale and come back to center. As you exhale, release your hands, bringing your legs back together. Now, we've done Parighasana in the kneeling position and seated position on the right side. You have to repeat all of the drills towards the left, prepare, and then practice it on the left side as well.
Ananda Balasana opens the hips, gently massages the lower belly, and helps release tightness.
Lie down on your back for Ananda Balasana. Lifting your knees up in towards your chest, you're going to open your legs, take your arms inside of your legs, hold on to the arches of your feet. Okay? Make sure you're not letting them drop open. You're keeping your ankles and knees in one line, and the shin is perpendicular to the floor, knee coming towards your armpit. Take an inhale. As you exhale, slowly, very gently draw the knees closer to your armpit. Make sure the lower back isn't leaving the floor. So go here only as much as you can. Close your eyes. Focus on where you feel this posture. What are the sensations in the body? How your breath feels. There is no force here. You want to just relax and melt into this posture. Bring awareness to your hips and lower back. Whenever you're ready, slowly release the legs and bring your feet down.
Nadi Shodhana calms the mind, balances hormones, and reduces stress that can worsen cyst symptoms.
And we're going to move into our Nadi Shodhana pranayama, which means bringing Vishnu Mudra in the right hand. If you don't know what this looks like, you can open your eyes. Index and middle finger roll inwards towards the base of the thumb. Okay? You can close your eyes. We'll do this together. With your right thumb, close the right nostril. First, exhale out any air that's in the body, forming like a vacuum within your body. Now take a deep inhale on the left nostril. With the ring finger, close the left nostril. Exhale out through the right nostril. Inhaling through the right nostril. Closing the right nostril, exhaling through the left nostril. Good, we're going to do a few more cycles of this. Inhaling through the left. Long, deep inhale, closing the left, exhaling through the right with control. Inhaling through the right. Closing the right, exhaling through the left. Inhaling. Closing left, exhaling through the right. We have one last side to go. Inhaling through the right. Closing the right, exhaling through the left. Allow your hands to come back to the knees. And then try to inhale and exhale normally through both nostrils. Nadi Shodhana, the breath we just practiced, is supposed to be a very calming breath.
Baddha Konasana improves flexibility in the hips and stimulates abdominal organs for better circulation.
Feet together into Baddha Konasana. Here you can either hold the big toes with a 3-finger grip or hold on to the feet. So we're going to do the flapping first here again. So start to move the thighs up and down. 1. This will help to release any tension around your inner thighs, which tend to get tight because your knees are knocked in towards each other. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Here once again we're going to do one leg at a time. So left hand down, right palm is going to press the thigh down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release. Place the right hand down, left palm on the thigh. As you exhale, gently press your thigh down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Super. If you're very comfortable with both the legs going close to the floor, we can try to go forward in this position. So we're going to hold on to the feet. That gives you the grip. From here, take an inhale, lengthen forward. Don't try to get the forehead down. Instead, think you're getting your chin onto the floor. So lengthen ahead, lean forward. Once your elbows start to touch the thighs, use your elbows to press the thighs down. Keep lengthening forward as far as you can go and breathe. 1, hold at your maximum. 2, keep breathing. 3, 4 and 5. Inhale and slowly come back up. Then we're going to do one more variation here. You're going to move your heels forward. And now if you look down, you can see like a diamond shape in between the legs. From here, you're going to move only your left foot back into butterfly. So one leg is in a diamond position, one leg is in Baddha Konasana. Hold on to your ankles. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale and lean forward again, pressing the thigh down. Bring the awareness to the outer hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale and slowly come up, and let's switch legs. So your left foot goes forward, move the right heel back. Hold on to the ankles, inhale and lengthen the spine. Exhale, fold forward. Use the elbow to start gently pressing the thigh down. Again, no force. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale and slowly come back up.